Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can learn any language with the help of ChatGPT prompts, which I'm going to offer you in the description below. So for now, let's get started. So for example, today we're going to go ahead and create a plan for learning Spanish language. So first thing we need to do is create a learning plan, and that would be this option here. So you want to go ahead and create a learning plan to learn, for example, Spanish. So you want to use this prompt, like I am complete beginner, and let me just go ahead and put it into Spanish, into ChatGPT. And I just put it into ChatGPT. So I'm complete beginner at Spanish. I'd like you to create a 4-month language learning course for me. Map this around my busy schedule and so on and so forth. You want to create a structured learning curriculum and many other things, and put it into a table that it would be really convenient. So I just chose a 4-week period, and now I can use it for every single month while I'm learning Spanish. And now it has created a structured plan, a 4-month Spanish learning plan, where in the first month you will learn foundations, basic vocabulary, phrases, and so on and so forth. Now the month 2, building blocks, month 3, practical application, more complex grammar, listening and comprehension practice, role playing, proficiency and fluency. And now weekly timetable, what you want to go ahead and learn, and the topic, and that you will learn it for 1 hour. Estimated report, and the plan should allow you efficiently learn Spanish while accommodating your busy schedule. So that's one thing we want to go ahead and do. Now, you would like to go and learn the basics. You can actually do this on Duolingo, but if you don't want to do this on Duolingo, then you want to go ahead and learn the basics here. So the first thing, let's go ahead and enter this prompt here. You're a language learning expert. I'm learning Spanish. Give me some of the most common and useful words and phrases for the topic family with their translations and phonetic pronunciation to help me start it. So they're gonna go ahead and write down these, like father, padre, mother, madre, and son, hijo, and so on and so forth. So you will learn all of these words with the translation, as you can see, some useful phrases. Also, I didn't ask for that, I believe, but the ChatGPT still included it. So now you can learn the basics with the help of ChatGPT. And also we can go ahead and enter this blank sheet worksheet generator. So we want to go ahead and enter this prompt. As I said, I'm gonna leave everything in the description, my Gumroad link to this prompt, to these prompts, which you can get. And now, as you can see, I have asked to act as a fill-in blank worksheet generator, so that we would have, like, you can also always change the topic. I just chose family for today. The word bank, where you're gonna choose a word from, and now the sentences where you need to fill in the blanks, as you can see. And that's how you can learn. Now, what we also need to do is, what you can do, if you're, for example, using your phone, you can go ahead and use ChatGPT voice, and you can create a task where you would be able to speak Spanish and complete the tasks by speaking. But this is just additional thing which you can do. Now, we also want to go ahead and use a resource assistant. So let's use this prompt right there. I'm gonna leave everything in the description. So language Spanish. I'm a beginner interested in learning the Spanish language, and please recommend resources like music, movies, TV shows, YouTube channels, articles, and so on and so forth. So I would be able to learn Spanish more. So here it is some music inspirations, movies which you can watch for learning Spanish, TV shows, YouTube channels, and podcasts, articles, and apps. They also recommend Duolingo, as you can see, and some tips for immersion. So this is another prompt which you can use. Now, another great thing would be a story or a game. And you want to ask a ChatGPT to create you a story or a game. So for example, for today, we're gonna ask to write a short story that I could use for my Spanish language comprehension, give the language at the level of the beginner. And now it will write down everything in Spanish, as you can see. And now you will have all of this here. So what you want to do is go ahead. Let's wait for it to, here it is. So you can go ahead and read the story. Now you will have this vocabulary. But what you can also do is go ahead and ask, now translate it to English. And just ask for it to translate it, or you can go ahead and put it into Google Translate if you want to know the story. And now another thing would be a language role play. We're not gonna go dive into this, but basically you can just ask to create a language role play in Spanish and learn language like so. And the last thing would be a language exam, of course. So you are an expert tutor, create an oral structured Spanish exam to test my Spanish learning skills and test my grammar. Provide me a score out of 100% and provide feedback and coaching on what I can improve on. So basically, as you can see, here it is a role play. They recommend, and basically you will need to finish this exam, and after that you will get a score. So basically that's it, guys. I'm gonna leave the prompts in the description below for you to check out, to use for your learning language. And if this video was helpful, please leave a comment, leave a like, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Bye.